holidays! Welcome back to the Hersheypark Chocolatier.
Don't worry, that feeling of deja vu will go away in a little bit.
We were just here. Like, we were literally just here. But this is different. We're here early in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock, and we have reservation for breakfast with Santa. This is a buffet-style arrangement, one of the only times the Chocolatier shifts over to a buffet style. There's a wide array of new and unique menu items upstairs waiting for us, and of course, the big man himself. I'm hungry. Let's go. I'm Tim.
I'm Katie.
And we do things like this. So to our surprise, we were about 25 minutes early, but we were seated immediately. So that was nice. We're in the bar area over here, which is
right next to Santa.
Right next to Santa.
Be on our best behavior.
We have to be on our best behavior. So the way this works, we just remain seated. The server has already come and asked for our drink order. So Katie's getting her coffee. I'm getting my morning caffeine in the form of soda. And as soon as we get our drinks, we are free to go over to the buffet and start picking through everything they've got over there for breakfast. Then the elves will come to our table and invite us over to Santa when they are ready for us. So we wait patiently for our turn with the big guy.
Excited to see Santa?
We are so excited.
Oh my goodness. Well, you guys are more than welcome to go see Santa. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. It's our time already. What? Okay, let's go. That's Santa's red phone crisis line for when someone needs to get his attention right away.
Am I going to be on TV?
Is that okay?
We just like to spread Christmas cheer.
We are. We're spreading all the holiday cheer. How are you? Good morning.
I am fine. Good morning. Welcome to Hershey.
Thank you. It's wonderful to be here.
Oh, yeah.
We've never done breakfast here before, so we don't know what's been prepared.
Okay, well, I think it's a nice buffet. I haven't really had any myself.
Oh, this wasn't you or Mrs. Claus. This was...
No, this is Hershey.
Oh.
They invited us here.
I always say peace on earth, but I'll also take a snowboard, if that's too tall an order.
And snowboarding lessons, maybe?
And snowboarding lessons. Yes, I'm moving into a new practicum.
I'll just take some safe travels and a Merry Christmas. 'Cause
Yes,
I've got a lot
yes.
I wish that to everyone to have a nice breakfast and safe travel.
Santa was lovely.
It's a delight.
And his elves.
And he told me he's a Ravens fan.
Santa! How could you?
He has an affinity to Baltimore, I guess.
So having now checked that box with Santa, we're gonna head to the buffet, see what's up there to eat. White bread and multigrain bread, and we have a toaster here so that you can run it through, heat it up, and then put chocolate butter on it. Here's my favorite stop, pancakes. Because you're at Hershey, I have a whole pancake bar here with whipped cream, Reese's Pieces, mini chocolate chips, sprinkles, pretty much anything you can think of. They do have oatmeal here as well. First breakfast buffet I've ever seen to include Reese's Puffs as part of their cereal options. Alright, so let me quickly do an inventory on my plate here. Those are hash browns, large ones. This is baked egg strata. Strata? I think it's strata. Over here we have freshly cooked bacon, a staple for all buffet breakfasts. Here we have pancakes, but a twist on the usual pancakes because they have chocolate butter here at Hersheypark. When you're at Hershey, chocolate is always an option. Underneath, I have a sausage patty or two. Pretty standard as far as I can tell. But as a whole, the plate came together nicely. And then, because I'm never satisfied, I also got chocolate raspberry pastries from the line. Hard to go wrong. What about Katie? What did we get over here?
Well, I started with just some fruit and toast because I really wanted to try this chocolate
butter.
And then from the hot buffet, obviously hash brown, that egg strata, baked egg strata, some protein with sausage and bacon, and then I put
Reese's Pieces on your...
On
That's
a
whipped cream, right?
Yeah.
They have whipped cream for
I think
pancakes
it's homemade
as well.
whipped cream, so...
Well, house-made. Yeah. Unless you're talking about Santa's home.
Well, Hershey made whipped cream.
About to try the chocolate butter on my pancake. Mmm. Wow. Yeah, that's really good. Literally tastes like chocolate whipped cream with like the buttery aftertaste.
Yeah.
Wow. This raspberry tart is also really tasty. I think the raspberries were freshly embedded. I don't think this is like a mix of any kind that went into baking this.
Is it raspberry or cherry?
It's raspberry. I can taste the raspberry. Got a little raspberry kick. How's the egg strata? Good?
If you've ever had like a frittata, which is scrambled up egg mixed with lots of good things and baked, that's what it reminds me of.
Here as we can tell, the bacon is just like standard buffet bacon, but Katie did point out, and I agree, it's nice that there's like the option to choose between like floppy bacon and crispy bacon. It seems like there's a heaping helping of both in the pan. It's not bad. As buffet bacon goes. Not bad. So our server, Gary, is also the bartender here, and he was mixing a drink that involved a king-sized Hershey's chocolate bar. Katie was curious what that bar was gonna do, so she asked about it and he just handed it to her. Then he stopped by the table and gave me one because he didn't want me to feel left out. So, thanks Gary, and thanks Hershey. So it's obviously not included in the price of the breakfast buffet, but you can get the signature cocktails if you ask for them. So we went ahead and got the one signature cocktail that we missed during our recent visit, the Jack Frost.
Jack Frost.
Jack Frost. This is going to be a job for two.
Yeah.
This is not something that one of us could drink in a single sitting and walk away from. It's very fruity, right?
It's like a...
I know it's got pineapple and rum in it.
It's definitely like a... got that pina colada kind of vibe.
Ooh, my favorite. It's got blue curacao, pineapple rum, and some other stuff, but...
Yeah. I don't have a menu in front of me, but it definitely is...
I'll get it.
Pineapple, got coconut shavings around the top of it.
Tropical.
Definitely giving you some tropical vibes.
Tropical winter vibe. Here you go, guys. It's Don Q cocoa rum, blue curacao, pineapple juice, coconut cream, shredded coconut on the rim, and whipped cream on top. So I guess the alcohol mostly comes from the rum. Everything else is a fruity accent. Of the signature drinks for the winter season here at the Chocolatier, I think my favorite is still that sugar cookie martini that we had the other day. But man, this is good. He is writing a note to Santa. Was that the note?
No, but now I'm under pressure.
Are you giving it to Santa?
I'm gonna go put it in his letterbox.
Okay. Letters for Santa. Thank you, Santa.
You guys hear that? That is the sound of no pop gun going off at every second of every day in the Hershey Supply Company.
It's nice before it opens.
It's nice.
This concludes Breakfast with Santa. Quick little vlog this morning, but I think well worth ducking in early and getting an early reservation to meet the big guy and to have some awesome breakfast buffet options here at the Chocolatier. What did you think about the buffet?
You know, it was pretty family friendly, I think pretty basic with a couple of elevated
Kid-oriented
items.
options.
Yeah. I'm just gonna say the star of that buffet is the chocolate butter.
Yeah, no question.
Put the chocolate butter on anything and it makes
And
it
everything. Katie had it on toast, I had it on pancakes, neither of us was just, I think you dunked it in your coffee towards the end too.
And I had it on a French toast stick.
Yeah,
Delicious.
everything chocolate at Hershey is pretty solid to begin with because Hershey makes excellent chocolate, but the chocolate butter that they make here at the breakfast buffet, a step above. $32.95 per person for adults to eat here. I'm not sure what the kids are, but I'm sure they're significantly less. And honestly, for Hershey, $32.95 isn't too bad for an adult meal. It's a character breakfast, yeah, because Santa's here. They do off-season events with like the Hershey Bears and stuff, at this same kind of setup, the buffet and the character meet off in the corner. But Santa is something extra special for the holidays, so I'm glad we did it. We're gonna go ahead and sign off, guys. Until next time, I'm Tim.
I'm Katie.
And every day,
It's a new adventure.
happy holidays, y'all. And thanks to Gary, our server, for making the breakfast extra special. We'll see you next time.